was like, whatever.
I had that happen one time on my way to Utah. Like, what is this sound? It's just me and the kids, and oh, it's that stupid plastic thing.
Yeah, I was just so glad that's what it was, because I was...
Like, not, yeah. Again,
Well,
Christmas.
Yeah. Well, and then when I went to Riverton and lost that belt just a week ago, I was like, I don't need this today.
Enough mechanical issues.
But yeah. So things going on in the community this week.